Hey guys, it's TheCovertCrow, where we talk watches and more. And I have a little bit of an update. It's 3 years with my cruise watch that I purchased in Nassau, Bahamas. That's right, we were walking down the streets doing a little shopping. My girlfriend saw it in the window of an authorized dealer there and said, "That one looks fabulous. It'll look great on your wrist." So we took a walk inside, looked into it a little further, and boom, the rest is history. The TISSOT T-RACE 45mm chronograph. Let's get into it. Now, the interesting thing about this TISSOT T-RACE is that when I went and took it back to the authorized dealer after the 3 years, it was just more than 3 years that the battery lasted for me with regards to the quartz movement for this watch. But interestingly enough, the screw down stainless steel case back needs a specific tool to open it up. So it was sent back to TISSOT, which also benefits you when you're looking at pressure tests and water resistance as well. So, and for, I think it was about $100 plus $120 for that service, you get your timepiece back and you have peace of mind that it's been done right. But the interesting thing about that was that the AD could not open that case back for the TISSOT T-RACE. As you can see, it's very unique in design and it requires a specific tool. She owes me nothing. She's a beauty. I use it for all kinds of recreational activities, for workouts, for golfing especially, because I'm not sure those of you who do have automatic watches. I have been told via the internet that the automatic watches shouldn't be worn when you're golfing because the movement is repetitive and you never know, some of that movement could damage, some of that impact movement could damage the watch inside. You don't know, so why not play it safe and also look super cool at the same time. She's great. She wears well on the wrist, very light. It comes with this beautiful red rubber band and butterfly clasp, and it accents the colors of some of the subdial hands as well, as you can see here. Beautiful. Not my first choice to wear red bands, but it just works for this timepiece. It is stainless steel with sapphire crystal, 100-meter water resistance, of course, start-stop chronograph functionality with a date window. And it does have a very nice Cyclops that you can look at that date window from a number of different angles. So, the TISSOT T-RACE 45mm sports chronograph. When I first purchased it in the Bahamas, it was around $700 US. I did haggle and talk them down a little bit, but it was in that area with taxes and whatnot. So, well, like I said, it doesn't owe me anything. As you can see, she wears well on the wrist. My wrist is about 7¼ inches, and it fits just fine. And that rubber band is adjustable and can be sized to match whatever wrist. That's a TISSOT T-RACE 45mm sport chronograph. If you want any other information regarding this particular timepiece, drop a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell icon because there's going to be more content coming and you don't want to miss it. This is TheCovertCrow. Be safe, be well. Cheers. Out.